The resort fee here at Amara Cay Resort is one you'll have no problem paying for. It includes bicycles, kayaks, paddle boards, even lawn activities, and also a shuttle service within a 4-mile radius to get you to your favorite bar and restaurant. Casa Mirada is a beautiful hidden gem here in Isla Mirada. Right now, I'm at their bar located on their private island, just enjoying their Casajito, which is a mojito with sake, swinging while I wait for the sunset. Cheers! Moorings Village and Spa is where you come to when you want a home away from home. It truly is a magical place here in Isla Mirada, unlike any other hotel. Here you have oceanfront cottages and poolside villas, leaving you absolutely no reason to leave. My favorite spot at the Moorings is the iconic dock right on its private beach. It makes you feel like you're walking on water, and best of all, there's a hammock waiting for you at the end.